Let me get to what is partisan gerrymandering and how is it done. There are just two tricks to creating a partisan gerrymandering, and they're called packing and cracking. I want to make it clear, both parties gerrymander. There are gerrymanders around the country that you could call Democratic gerrymanders. Wisconsin has a Republican gerrymander. But I'm going to talk about Wisconsin. So in packing, the Republicans seek to create districts that have supermajority of Democrats. They put Democrats, they pack them in a district so that no Republican could possibly win. Cracking is a term that's used to describe taking the remaining Democrats, the ones that can't be packed. You crack them means you spread them out so they couldn't possibly elect a Democrat in all those other districts. But you need to spread them out in order to achieve that. So in a cracked district, there's typically 35 to 40% Democrats, 60 to 65% Republicans. But in a packed district, there'll be over 70% Democrats. And that's the case in Wisconsin. Virtually all districts in Wisconsin where the majorities are in excess of 70%, if the race is contested, are Democratic districts. I can illustrate all this by the Fox River Valley, if you can turn to the map. This pattern went on all around the state, but this is the Fox River Valley. If we go up to Green Bay, you'll see Assembly District 90. That's a packed district. Republicans didn't run a candidate in 2018. Surrounding it are three districts, 89, 4, and 88, all of which contain parts of Green Bay, but go out away from Green Bay so that the parts of Green Bay won't control the district. That's a cracked district. Even 2 and 5 includes some of the kind of exurbs, as it were, of the greater Green Bay metropolitan area. You see the same thing in Appleton. There's a cracked district, number 57, which includes Lawrence College and parts of Appleton that are heavily Democratic, and includes the town of Menasha, which is Democratic. And that's a packed district. Republicans didn't run a candidate. And surrounding that district are three other districts, 56, which kind of wraps around 55. You have to follow the color. 55 and 3. And 55 and 3, all three of these districts take part of the greater Appleton area and then spread them out into the country so as to, that's cracking, taking some Democratic votes and combining them with more Republican votes. And 55 and 56 are all Republican districts. And then we go further south to Oshkosh. The same thing, 54 is the packed district, downtown Oshkosh, the campus. Republicans did not run a candidate. In all three packed districts in 2018, the Republicans did not contest. And then 53, you can see, combines a little bit of Oshkosh and a bunch of the suburbs and some countryside. That's a cracked district. So those are the techniques of packing and cracking, and they're duplicated all across the state. There are packed districts up by Superior Bayfield. There's a packed district in Eau Claire. There's a packed district in downtown La Crosse. There's a packed district in Janesville, a packed district in Beloit, a packed district in downtown Racine, a packed district in downtown Kenosha, lots of packed districts in Madison and Milwaukee. There's a packed district which considers Sauk Prairie, Baraboo, and Portage. They all put in one district. All three of those are Democratic towns.